What's good, YouTube? I'm back once again, and today we got an oxygen sensor replacement and extension replacement because look at this crap, bro. I know y'all see that. The header just completely obliterated it. The header said, what is this doing here? So we're about to go right through it. I'm gonna do a better look when I get it off though. I'm gonna let y'all look at it.
12 seconds later.
Boom. Like, bro, Jesus. Blade ain't sharp at all. All right, so we're gonna connect this end right here to that, which I guess goes to all the wire and the harnesses or whatever. Green safety pin in so it don't come off. Now it look good. Now we're gonna just let it drop down while we put the oxygen sensor in. And then we're gonna zip tie it out the way so it don't melt no more. All right, so we got the O2 sensor in, but the reason I didn't connect this piece first before I put it on was because I got the wire gonna be raveling around each other and twisting up, and I don't want that. So I put it on first. Now it's on tight, and we're gonna zip tie it away once we connect it to this little piece right here. I'm gonna zip tie it away so the headers don't melt it no more, because that was horrendous. But I'll get back to y'all when I get started. All right, so we got it on. We zip tied it. I got it zip tied in kind of in the back of the motor so it don't. Actually, this extension is shorter than the one I had on there, so this should be a lot better, and it really shouldn't melt. But it looks good sitting back there, hanging nowhere near the headers. We're gonna double check, and it looks good to me. Give it a little tug. Should be good enough right there. Yep. All right. Well, good enough. Job well done. I might go get me something to eat and go to sleep.